Hi everyone, welcome to our programming tutorial series where we'll be learning about the fundamentals of programming using JavaScript and Python. My name is Ryan, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of coding. So, what exactly is programming? In simple terms, programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. These instructions are written in a programming language, which is a special language designed to communicate with computers. Think of programming like writing a recipe. Just as a recipe provides step-by-step instructions for cooking a dish, a program provides step-by-step instructions for a computer to follow. Whether it's your smartphone, a washing machine, or an online banking system, programming is behind the functionality of countless devices and applications we use every day. Learning to program opens up a world of opportunities. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, game development, or any other tech field, programming skills are essential. Programming also enhances your problem-solving skills. It teaches you how to break down complex problems into manageable parts and think logically. Plus, it's a highly creative process where you get to build and create your own projects from scratch. There are many programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and use cases. Some of the most popular ones include JavaScript, Python, C++, and Ruby. In this series, we'll be focusing on JavaScript and Python, two of the most versatile and widely used programming languages today. JavaScript is essential for web development, allowing you to create interactive websites. Python, on the other hand, is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners and for fields like data science and machine learning. To write and run our code, we'll need the right tools. These include text editors and integrated development environments, or IDEs. An IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to programmers for software development, such as code editor, debugger, and build automation tools. We'll start by setting up a basic environment for both JavaScript and Python. For JavaScript, you can use the browser console or an IDE like Visual Studio Code. For Python, you'll need to install Python on your computer and can use an IDE like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, or Google Colab. Here's what you can expect from this series. We'll start with the basics, such as understanding syntax, variables, and control structures. As we progress, we'll dive into more advanced topics, including functions, data structures, and object-oriented programming. By the end of this series, you'll have a solid foundation in both JavaScript and Python, and you'll be ready to tackle more complex projects on your own. Each video will include hands-on coding examples and exercises to help you practice and apply what you've learned. Don't worry if you don't get everything right away. Programming is all about practice and experimentation. To recap, we've introduced what programming is, why it's important, and the tools we'll be using. In the next video, we'll dive into setting up your development environment and writing your first lines of code in JavaScript. If you're excited to start learning how to code, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear from you. In the next video, we'll be setting up our JavaScript environment and writing our first script. Stay tuned and see you soon.